YouTube? Welcome back to Digital Crypto News, Macro Trends. Give me a subscribe if you appreciate that content. I'm trying to give you the hottest crypto content on the internet. Guys, where the hell is my Tezos team at? Because it's been a minute. And now we got all those crypto haters out the way. Now it's time for XTZ to come out and play. We're going to take a look at the price action. Cut it up a little bit. But make sure to stick to the end, y'all. Because this is the Dub Digital channel. You know I get that TA and the FA and I'll mix it all up. Spoiler alert, guys. Some of the articles we're going to glance over have to do with Ethereum to Tezos bridges. Some of the articles have to do with a new corporate baker. And when I say corporate, it's a name that pretty much all of you have heard of. And to top it all off, Tezos starting to dip its foot all up in security tokens. That's right. But you know what? I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's pull up the chart. All right, guys, I'm sitting on the XTZ USD pair. Let's get it. Early on in Tezos' life, this thing dropped like a rock, down something near 60%. I hate it when my team's Tezos bags are bleeding. Cheer up, guys. It ain't all bad news. Right around February of 2020, Tezos said, screw this, man. I'm out of here. Deuces. And it proceeded to run up about 383%. But then, just like all the other assets in crypto, right around March of 2020, oil went negative. And everyone who was invested in anything was like, what the hell is this? And they started dropping all their precious investments, including Tezos. And this thing proceeded to dump with the quickness, another 67%, hitting around $1.30, bringing Tezos to its knees, man. But Tezos, with the will of a Spartan, like a Roman gladiator, said, this ain't how I'm going out. Ultimately rose up another 270%, hitting up at $4.50. But come on, guys, Rome wasn't built in a day. Price progression is sequential. You take 2 steps forward, 1 step back. And it proceeded to fall again, another 55%. But when we zoom up, you'll clearly see the XTZ came crashing back down, sitting right at this support line. Dub Digital, what the hell? Tezos keeps going up, coming down. I want this thing to go up and stay up. Yeah, guys, me too. People in hell want ice water. You really thought Tezos was gonna take anyone to the moon with it? No, it only wants real ones. It only wants winners. Almost at the very start of the year, 2021, Tezos started moving up, and over just 124 days, this thing has lifted up about 238%. Dub Digital, that sucks. Dogecoin's been going up a whole bunch. Well, yeah, you know what, guys? This ain't Dogecoin. Tezos, it's for big boys. And it's my thought that it's only a matter of time till Tezos begins to shine. Because what some people would call a lack of performance is what I call a lack of patience. Because when you look at this whole entire price structure from a macro lens, you'll clearly see that all of this, these aren't failed rallies, but Wing patterns over multi-months. W here, W. It's all been freaking W's, which indicates to me that Tezos, it's not done moving. In fact, Tezos hasn't even really got started. Dub Digital, come on, man. You're always making excuses for all these chains that ain't doing nothing. Call it for what it is. No, I ain't feeling that. You want to know why? Because when we apply a parallel channel running right across this previously drawn triangle right here, Tezos is trading within the $1.98 range to $4.42 range. And that's a long ass time to be going up and down like that. Approximately exactly 1 year after this capitulation event. And this time, it was different. It shot on up out of here, about 84%, hitting damn near $7. Tezos corrected down from that move about 41%. But what do you notice? Price came down and touched the very top of the trading range at $4.42. And at the time of filming this video, Tezos' price is sitting at about $6.60. And when we zoom up, that I applied a bottom trend line and a top trend line. And what happens when we put a bottom trend line and a top trend line together like that? It forms a triangle. Let's go ahead and do a measure move out of the triangle to area of expected breakout, and bam. Looks like this next impulse up should put Tezos around $9.40. Now, financial advice. But guys, that's not the most bullish chart that I gotta show you. Here we go, guys. I'm sitting on the XTZ BTC pair. And we're not going to spend a million hours on this thing because it's pretty straightforward. At its lowest point, Tezos hit 5,598 Satoshis. At the current point, Tezos sits at 11,519 Satoshis. Dub Digital, is that a triangle? It is a triangle. This thing has failed to get above the 12,525 Satoshi level for the longest freaking time. That the price is starting to curve upwards, indicating that the buyers of this asset are getting more and more aggressive. And granted that Tezos' price and Satoshi value has been suppressed for so freaking long, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Hard down, hard up. And just to get back to where Tezos was about a year ago, this thing's got to raise up about 231%. That gets me all worked up. That gets me all sweaty. That makes me feel all warm and bullish inside. Yeah, whatever, Dub Digital. We already know that. I'll tell you something you don't know. I'm getting tired of all this TA. Let's go ahead and get into the FA, because this is the Dub Digital channel. You know I get that TA and the FA and I'll mix it all up. That fundamental analysis, because those closer to the knowledge profit. Simple as that. Cointelegraph, dated April 15th of 2021. One of Europe's largest investment banks issued security token on Tezos. Whoa there. European financial behemoth Societe Generale has issued a security token on the Tezos blockchain. Dub Digital, what the hell is a security token? Well, without getting into all the weeds, it's basically a crypto which is registered and regulated by a governing entity like an SEC or whatever the hell they use over there. The bank stated that the security token offering was a significant milestone in the efforts to bring full spectrum cryptocurrency market operations by 2022. Societe Generale, through its subsidiary Societe Generale Forge, reportedly plans to issue tokenized securities that can be integrated with legacy banking systems. What? Why is my face stuck like this? Just kidding. Apart from asset tokenization, the bank's crypto foray will also include exchange and custody services for institutional clients. This new experimentation, performed in accordance with the best market practices, demonstrates the legal, regulatory, and operational feasibility of issuing more complex financial instruments on public blockchains. Mic drop. That's it. Wrap it up, guys. We're done. This is a big old bank, and this isn't even their first foray into crypto. Because back in 2019, Societe Generale issued a 100 million euro bond on Ethereum. That's how these big institutions get down. They never push all their chips in without doing their due diligence. And they started doing their due diligence 3 years ago. Tezos being structured in a way to actually being built from the ground up to tailor to security tokens. And if Tezos does well on this definitely won't be the last set of security tokens being offered. I'll tell you that. Dub Digital, that's all well and good, but how come Tezos does all this work with people I ain't never heard of? Dated April 20th. Corporate banking on Tezos. Gaming giant Ubisoft. Ubisoft, leading creator, publisher, and distributor of interactive entertainment and services, including the Assassin's Creed series, has joined the Tezos ecosystem as a corporate baker. This article had me at Assassin's Creed. I love being sneaky, tiptoeing, jumping off of buildings. In short, they help maintain the network. Tezos employs a liquid proof-of-stake consensus model, meaning that token holders on the network have the option to delegate their tokens to a baker in exchange for some of the baker's staking rewards, or bake on the network themselves and hold at least 8,000 Tezos. And Ubisoft responded with this: "We are happy to be joining the Tezos ecosystem as a corporate baker. Ubisoft believes that blockchain has the potential to bring new possibilities to players and developers alike. This new collaboration will allow us to pursue innovation efforts with an ecosystem that aligns with our environmental friendly approach thanks to its proof-of-stake consensus algorithm." Sounds like Ubisoft wants a piece of those baker rewards, and I can't hate them for it. Dated April 26th of 2021, Wrap Protocol brings Ethereum tokens and NFTs to Tezos. Tech startup Bender Labs has released Wrap Protocol, a decentralized bridge between Ethereum and Tezos. The protocol allows users to wrap their ERC20 and their ERC721 tokens and move them outside of the native blockchain. Dub Digital, why the hell would you want to do that? Ever try to get an asset from blockchain to blockchain? That's not a problem. Wrap's here to fix all of that. The tokens are locked on the blockchain, with the corresponding amount of Wrap tokens appearing on another network. Bender Labs Wrap Protocol enables users to transfer the two most popular Ethereum token standards into 2AF tokens on the Tezos blockchain. To transfer Ethereum native tokens to Tezos blockchain, Bender Labs Wrap Protocol creates W tokens, representations of ERC20 and ERC721 tokens. While the value of the W tokens is pegged to the original assets, they can be freely used within the Tezos ecosystem. Alright guys, I just want to bring you an update on XTZ, cause I saw that price pushing up and I said my XTZ homies might need me. But the moral of the story is this: Tezos has been through its fair share of trials and tribulations for the past couple years. That the structure that we've seen thus far was simply a prelude, simply a setup for the main attraction coming later this year. Because we really haven't seen Tezos show out during a bull run. And I'm pulling out the folding chair and popcorn for this one. Best believe that. But more importantly than that, we got more and more fundamentals piling up for this blockchain. We got Societe Generale, one of Europe's largest banks, deciding to release security tokens on Tezos. We got Ubisoft becoming a corporate baker, the homies that brought you Assassin's Creed. And lastly, we got Bender Labs releasing the Wrapped protocol to flow freely between Tezos and Ethereum and vice versa. Tezos is kind of like a fine wine. It just keeps getting better and better with time. If you appreciate the content, give me a like, comment, subscribe, Dub Digital, crypto news, macro trends. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.